2.5 inches of water. I think that is the most rain we have gotten in one go so far this year. All right, well, the pavers are all set. So that part is done, thankfully. Now we're going to be moving on to putting in the rosemary and the lavender plants. I'm very glad to be moving on to a different part of this project. It feels so good to have all those pavers set, and that I was actually able to find the pavers to set them. Huge bonus. So, all right, let me get off here and we'll go and get the rosemary and the lavender part going. Okay, so we have the first hole dug for the rosemary, and as you can see, I went on ahead and put, let me get a little closer here, put some of the rocks that I dug out back in for drainage. Rosemary does not, they do not like really great soil, and they like a lot of drainage. So that's part of the reason that I put those back in there. It's just a good idea in general whenever you're planting anything to have small rocks at the bottom to help with drainage so that the roots aren't sitting in really moist, soggy soil. I also am going to go on ahead and go for broke here. I've got a lot of gardeners in our area recommended this brand, the Espoma. I think that's how you pronounce it, Plant Tone. I'm going to put that down in the bottom over the top of the rocks. I'm not going to put a lot, I'm going to put like a teaspoon of it in. And then I'm going to use a good organic in-ground soil. And we're going to see how these beautiful babies do. So let's go on ahead and get on it. Starting to get a little root bound. Okay, so one of the things that I do when I take my plants out, and this guy is a little root bound. I'm not real thrilled about that, but I just kind of go in and break up the outer root structure. Usually I do it with my hand, but that's not going to work in this case, and this will not really hurt this type of a plant. This one will be just fine. So rosemary is usually pretty hardy, so we're just gonna get it loosened up, give it a good start. Do my best here to kind of try and keep it as upright levelish as possible. I was thinking I came out a little bit too far, but I don't think I came out quite far enough when I was cutting the area back. I think I came out okay on that side. I think I need to come out a little bit more on this side, so I may be whacking some more weeds. Just a second with the hoe. Have found no quite a few good earthworms out there, so that's good news. Earthworms will do a lot of dirt. No pun intended. All right. Stones that I'm going to use for and the ultimate goal is to plant some of the fire spinner around here and let it start trying to take over the yard. Push out the other weeds that we don't want, smother them out, and we just have a carpet out there of nothing but fire spinner. A girl can dream, you know. I know it probably won't happen that way, but a girl can dream. I'm not sure that I Got quite enough of these, but we should have enough to get started anyway. All right, so 1 is in, 5 more to go. Okay, now we're gonna do the exact same thing for the lavender. Okay, so day 2 of planting out the lavender and the rosemary. We got 3 in the other day, so let's see if I can get a good shot here. That guy there, this lavender here, and then this guy here. So we're just gonna go down the long side that we've been carving out for most of the last video. Actually, all of the last video, now that I think about it. That's slightly depressing. But anyway, let me go on ahead and get you guys turned around and we'll get this project going. Woo-hoo. Okay, that's officially done. Let me turn you around. So, starting from here to there, to there, and all the way out. It's gonna look so awesome when it's grown in, guys. I mean, really, it is. Okay, so without any further ado, I'm going to get these babies watered in and get inside and call it a day. So I hope you enjoyed part 2 of the front garden, and we will be it's probably going to be a month or so before we end up putting any rock down, but we'll just have to play that by ear. So part 3 will be coming soon. You'll be seeing us laying out the rock in between all the pavers and putting some more of that gorgeous fire spinner that we've already got growing in leaps and bounds over here. It wasn't supposed to grow that quick. I don't know what I did, but it wasn't supposed to grow this quick. So you'll be seeing that in, like I said, about a month. Maybe a little bit longer. It's just going to depend. So I'm going to go on ahead and get off here, guys. As always, keep it simple, natural, and essential, and I'll see you on the next one.